in praise of present. Let future come, oh, as it might, in darkness, hidden or with dazzling light. And let the past remain buried deep, below the dormant hope's rising heap. And let no past or future touch your brow, and all connections with them disavow. And live in present moment unsubdued, and never on the past or future brood. Oh, if you with your present rightly cope, and do not in the past or future grope, then unobstructed you will make a name, for caution does not ever win the game, and only those who plunge in the raging waves can live like kings and not like cowering slaves. Was the best line, for caution doesn't ever win the game.